Hello, Liz Smith here from the Hair Loss Control Centre in London. Today I'm going to talk you through my top tips for colouring your hair at home. Most hair professionals will tell you not to colour your hair at home, but I know the majority of people do. So if you are going to do it at home, let's do a good job. First thing you need to do is read the instructions. From top to bottom, read the instructions and know exactly what you're doing. After you've read the instructions, the first thing you must do is your colour test. This is extremely important because you can have a reaction to hair colour, and if you do, it can be very unpleasant. So always do your patch test, skin test 24 hours, 48 hours before. If you've read the instructions, it will tell you exactly what you should do for that brand of colour that you're using. Once you've got all that out of the way, you can now start to follow the instructions and apply the colour to your hair. Before you mix the colour up, I would suggest that you section your hair into 4 sections. A hot cross bun section. So you take a parting from the front of your head through to the back of your head. I should have brushed my hair, it's a bit tangly. So you create 2 halves of hair. And then when you've got each half, you then do the same from the top of your head down behind your ear, creating 4 sections of hair out of the way of each other. I've got 2 sections at the front, 2 sections at the back. So, mixed up my colour and I'm now going to start. Load your brush up that you've been applied with. Choose which section you're going to start, and I'm going to start at the back here. And then you can just feel your way around the section. I mean, it is easier if you can get somebody else to do this for you. So then you take from the bottom, you've gone around the perimeter of that section, and now you're going to start doing the roots. Go down that section, and release that section. Take your next section. Don't take too deep sections because otherwise you're not going to get the colour on there. If you put your clip in each time, it does keep it much easier to control the hair that you're using. Then you do the same on each subsequent section. Perimeter and then each section. Don't forget to wear your protective gloves when you're using colour as well. This is just conditioner, so I'm putting my gloves. In another section. Try not to get too much on your skin, it will stain, so just go to the hairline, or you can always put some Vaseline around the hairline to stop any staining. If you're worried about doing the back, you could just do the front and sides because the hair will fall over the back. And try not to overlap on the hair that's already coloured. The perimeter of that section. Split each section down and up. And that's your colour applied. Then just follow the instructions for the development time, and when that time is up, rinse your hair and style as normal. If during the colouring you do have any weird sensation on your scalp or any sense of irritation, rinse it off straight away and don't try and do it again until you can get to your hairdresser. So my advice would be always go to a hair professional if you can. If you can't, always read the instructions before you start, and always do your patch test before you start. Happy hair colouring!